very sweaty
drenched
from
in
working
sweat.
outside.
Also sawdust.
Yeah.
But I'm so excited!
I think you
Yes, we got the SpineAlign, which should be nice and firm for my poor back, and it has a layer of wool underneath this top part for like temperature regulation and firmness and all of that.
I don't think I've ever seen a bed that was this big. This is amazing.
Yeah, I'm pretty excited.